Hello students, I am Sangeeta Chaurasia from Alcon Height International School and today I am going to teach you chapter 1 of class 5th. I hope my all these videos will be helpful to you in your study. So let's start with our study. Here in this chapter we have to study about the working of operating system, especially for Windows 7 operating system. And in my previous video I have detailed explained you what is the meaning of operating system. It works as an interface between the user and the computer hardware. Suppose you are the user and you want to use paintbrush software, so how is it possible? It will possible with the help of operating system only. Suppose when we purchase the system now, it's empty, nothing is there. If we want to install any software in that now, so first we have to install operating system in that. Hence we can say that operating system is responsible for overall working of the computer. Students, do you know when we switch on the computer, then the first window shows on the screen are called Windows Desktop. Sometimes it's called opening screen, and the background picture of Windows Desktop is the desktop background. It's also known as wallpaper. Now students, look at the screen and I will demonstrate to you how to set the desktop background. Students, you see this wallpaper is set to my screen and I want to change it. Then what will be the procedure? You see, first you right click on any empty area on the desktop and just click this personalize option. Then another new window will be open to your screen. Then this one option, that desktop background, you have to click it. Then you can see many of the other picture has shown on the screen. You can choose any one of them. Or suppose you want to set your photo on the screen as a wallpaper, or that is kept in D drive. So you can browse it with the help of this browse option. I want to set which photo? Suppose this photo I want to set in as my background picture. So I have to select it. And the option you see now, save change, we have to click in this option. Now the background picture has saved. You can see the background picture has changed. So in this way we can change the desktop background in our system. Students, I hope you all have understood how to set the desktop background. Okay, now my next topic is screensaver. It happens many times when we are working in the system, so our system is idle. So some pictures or graphics are appear on the screen. This happens in our mobile also. When we leave our mobile for some time idle, so its light has off. And if we want, system will not off if we leave it alone. We want some picture or some images will be move on the screen. So we have the option that is called screensaver. Actually, screensaver is a program that display moving picture or graphics on the system. It start when the computer system is left idle for some time without performing any operation. Now students, I will give you the demonstration that how to change the screensaver, how to set the screensaver in our system. You look very carefully. You see my screen again with the same process. Just right click in any empty area on the screen, then this dialog box is open. You just click here screensaver and you find this screensaver option in personalize menu. When you click, then another window will open. Many other options are there. In the last you see screensaver option is there. You just click it. You see screensaver dialog box will open, and here you can change or you can set any screensaver with the help of this option. Like I have chosen this bubble option. So my screen when system will idle, so this kind of bubble will appear in my screen, and I just will click apply and OK. I want to tell you one more thing कि when you set screensaver from this dialog box ना, तो timing option is also there कि how many times wait is required. जितने टाइम आपका सिस्टम आइडल कंडीशन में रहेगा उतने मिनट्स यू कैन सेट फ्रॉम हियर. तो आई हैव सेट 1 minute. Okay, when I will not touch my system during these 1 minute, then my system will activate this screensaver. Now look students, I got my screensaver. How nicely it looks. I got this because my system remains idle for the number of minutes specified in the bait box. I hope students you all have understood the concept of wallpaper and screensaver. Now you work on it, stay at home and do it at your home. Thank you.